Hello, today we will unfold the secret behind Toyota's success. So let's start with company's belief, and it is we are always optimizing to enhance the happiness of every customer as well as build a better future for people, society and the planet we share. This is our duty, this is Toyota. Let's have an overview how one of the greatest empire and world's largest automaker companies started. Company was founded in 1937 by Kichiro Toyoda at Toyoda Aichi in Japan, where company's headquarters lies. Toyota has been declared the 13th largest company in the world in 2016, and this status of Toyota supported strongly by that it is the first company to produce 10 million vehicles and market leader in hybrid car division. After enjoying a phenomenal success in passenger car division, company jumped into luxury car division with Lexus and redefined luxury. And here it comes. What is the secret behind bringing company from rags to riches? Let's check it out. Here we go. The work ethics and principles, the two most crucial things behind any success story, and Toyota inspires many other giants with its work ethics. They always challenges themselves, improves and works in team to achieve better. Let me tell you a thing. In 1937, its founder decided to manufacture car in Japan without any foreign technology, which was impossible for that time. Even mighty Mitsubishi refused to enter in this segment because of huge investment. But Toyota dared, and the rest is history. And the next secret, product differentiation. Different always attracts, and Toyota is not an exception. Whether we talk of features or customization, Toyota has always an answer. With features, it has hybrid cars, customization, it has cars for young adults, business personnel, sports loving people, luxury loving people, and when it comes to quality and safety, no one can beat Toyota. And the next is its product mix. Company has been involved in many other fields apart from road vehicles such as aerospace, robotics, motorsports, higher education, and many more. So they have a wide range of products to offer. AutoGiant has number of product lines to offer to the consumers. They offer from hydrogen fuel cars to buses. Company has Prius, Corolla, Lexus HS250H and many in their hybrid electrical vehicle line. Toyota RAV4 EV, Toyota IQ EV in their all-electrical vehicle line, Corolla, Camry, Etios, 4Runner, Land Cruiser, Fortuner in their cars and SUV line. By this strong product line, company has something for all to offer. You talk of any segment of consumer and Toyota has a product for that segment. Company tries to cater every segment because it believes that a car can contribute to making people happy. All of the previous things become possible because of its mastery in manufacturing. No executive needs to convince that TMC has become one of the world's greatest companies because of its manufacturing system. Company has unorthodox manufacturing system, and this unorthodox system enables the Japanese giant to make the planet's best automobile at lowest cost and develop new products quickly. Company can make 8 models at a time, bring huge increase in productivity and market responsiveness. Relentless innovation in manufacturing processes makes the company different from the others, and its integrated assembly plant all around the world brings the quickness in its response. Promotion strategy of company depends upon geographical location. Company promotes its offering keeping time, place and customer in its mind. They hire the local celebrities to promote their products. Apart from these, company also sponsors many events. Design is not only something which gives aesthetic pleasure, but as Steve Jobs has told, design is something which defines along with aesthetic pleasures how the things works. Toyota has developed exceptionally well design with its J-Factor design formula. The aerodynamics of the car, environment-friendly design, unique fusion of emotional and rational factors enables the company to stand out of crowd. These things are possible because of its designer from variety of the cultural backgrounds. Company's design development stage works in 5 steps. These are concept making. The car design process begins with design concept. This is based on the development goal, the target consumer, and the aspects of vehicle development. The next comes idea development stage. At the ideas development stage, designers develops the concept into a digital design and a 3D shape. Now the color development. This means not only just applying colors but giving individuality and character to a vehicle. Analysis is undertaken over a whole range of data available, then the best suitable is selected. Now the next is mock-up. Here the modelers work on clay modeling with designers to ensure an understanding of original intention. By repeating the process, shape of vehicle is trusted and redefined down to the finest line. In the final designing process, customer's angle is needed because it's ultimately the customer who are going to clarify and certify the company that it is pass or fail in its effort. So, at decision hall, vehicle is analyzed from every angle, every situation, every condition that a customer can encounter. Like any success story is incomplete without twists and turns, Toyota is no different. It has its own part of challenges, like company forced to recall over 8 million cars due to accelerator and braking problems in 2009 and 10. This affected every brand of Toyota. Toyota's quality standard came into scrutiny. Company's share declined, and this was not the end of the Toyota's problem. Company lost $1 billion because of tsunami and earthquake. Their plants, parts suppliers get destroyed. But Toyota bounced back in its own style as strongly as it had been pushed back. And now we all know what's the status of the company. Service is the most important part for the success of any venture. And by huge network of service station and dealership across the world, Toyota ensures that customer always gets best out of it. It is always said, work together, work farther. So Japanese giant is working together with many other giants of the world to reach into each and every part of the world successfully. They have their stakes in many other companies like Isuzu, Yamaha, Tesla and others, and they are scaling new heights in different countries with their partners like with Kirloskar in India, GSCT in China and many more. The future lies here and Toyota is its champion. Autobigge is much ahead than its rivals like Honda, Nissan, GM, BMW, and many other auto giants when it comes to green technology. They have best-selling hybrid cars. They have developed hydrogen fuel cars. Company is working on fuel efficiency and hybrid model adoption, exploring the potential of diverse range of fuel. Toyota is looking ahead to 2050 with sustainable development. To support this, they have launched Environmental Challenge 2050. Under this competition, they are trying to achieve new vehicle and plants with zero emission to maximize the use of water, stabilizing a society which lives in harmony with nature. Now some buzz from Toyota. Toyota has sold highest number of vehicles in 2016 in last 5 years in India. Company is going to add safety supporting technical sonar for parking. They will exhibit Witch and Aqua concept models at Tokyo Auto Show. Company is planning to launch safest and the most fuel efficient cars to challenge likes of Maruti and Hyundai. At last but not the least, Japanese automaker is going to launch Toyota Next, an open innovation program for all. Thank you and special thanks to Professor Samir Mathur.